Hi everyone, I'm teacher Benny. Welcome to this channel where you learn English and Luganda easily. And if you find this channel of great benefit to you, please feel free to send your support and love on the account numbers displayed on screen and mobile numbers, both Airtel and MTN. The numbers are displayed on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please do share my videos such that many people can benefit. Many people have benefited and they've sent their regards on my numbers as you see in the comments. So, like, share the videos. Wosanga nga video eno ya makulu era ngekugasa, please likinga oba osobola okuweereza obuyambi bwo ne support on the account numbers eziragibwa ku screen. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome. And today we are going to learn about trees. Trees in English and Luganda. Trees in English and Luganda. Leero tugenda kuyiga ku miti mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Leero tugenda kuyiga ku miti mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. And if you want to know more about trees in English and Luganda, stick around until the end of the video. But if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, let's dive into it. Note, tree is omuti. Tree is omuti. So one tree is omuti in Luganda. Trees are emiti. Trees are emiti. We use omutigwa for referring to a particular tree. We use omutigwa for referring to a particular tree. Okay, let's look into examples. Ebyokulabirako. A mango tree. A mango tree. Omuti gwa omuyembe. Omuti gwa omuyembe. Or someone can say omuti gwa emiyembe. Omuti gwa emiyembe. Jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree. Omuti gwa ffene. Omuti gwa ffene. Or some people say omufenensi. 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 Avocado tree. Avocado tree. Omuti gwa ovacado. Omuti gwa ovacado. Or omuvacado. Omuvacado. A pawpaw tree. A pawpaw tree. Omuti gwa mapaapaali. Omuti gwa amapaapaali. Omuti gwa mapaapaali. Or omupaapaali. Omupaapaali. Guava tree. Guava tree. Omuti gwa amapeera. Omuti gwa mapeera. Omuti gwa mapeera. Omuti gwa mapeera. Omuti gwa mapeera. Or omupeera. Omupeera. Wild fig. Wild fig. Omutuba. Omutuba. Eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus tree.
Kalitunsi. Kalitunsi. Light wood tree. Light wood tree. Light wood tree. Omusambya. 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 African teak. African teak. Omuvule. Omuvule. Pine tree. Pine tree. Omuti gwa pine. Omuti gwa pine. Okay, those were some of the common trees in Luganda and English. Meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Weraba.